Hello, I wanted to make a nice little summer recipe to send you guys all off with this summer. And this is a favorite recipe by my family. We discovered it when my daughter was really getting into baking and cooking. And it's a Costa Rican / Italian also, which I'm also Italian from the other video. You know I'm Samoan, but I'm also Italian. Thing called Granita. So what it is, it's like kind of like risottos, but done a little bit different. And it's really simple to make. And you can do it in all different types of flavors. If you look below, there is a recipe and some alternatives you can do. But we do the traditional flavor, which is strawberry. It's strawberry, but it also has a lemon flavor to it. And it's really simple to make. So first you take a cup of strawberries. You can use a blender, or if you have a food processor, even better. Next, you take a cup of ice. Then you take a half a cup of lemon juice. Now, if you're not into lemons, you can do a little less, but you do need a lemon flavor in there. You need something that's acidic to break up the taste. And lastly, you use, right here, a cup of water. To make it sweet, you can use agave or honey. You can also use sugar, but if you use sugar, you have to make it into a simple syrup, which can be a little complicated. But you need something that's already dissolved, or else it's going to have crystals and it's going to taste a little funny in here. And I usually use about 2 tablespoons of honey. My kids like it a little bit sweeter. But you know, you use as much as you like or don't like for however sweetness you want. Now, the next part's going to be a little loud. But what we're going to do is we're going to blend this until it's all a big slushy mess. Okay? So we'll cut back to me after I blended it, because you do not want to hear the loudness of this. Well, hello, I'm back, and I'm up close. This is the consistency you want it to be. Almost like a Slurpee, but that's not what makes it the Granita. What makes it the Granita is that you take this consistency, you're gonna pour it in a container, and you're going to put it in the freezer overnight. At least 8 hours, hopefully 12 hours. And what makes it the Granita is the actual scraping. So if you were in Costa Rica or in Italy, once you had it, and this is one that we already ate most of it, we had to try it out before. You take this and you scrape it off. You rub it against, and you keep rubbing, and it makes, just like when you have a risotto and they do it straight from the blocked ice, the best kind, it makes a fluffy cloud of flavor. And this is what is the Granita. So you would keep doing this, and this is really fun for kids to do. I have my kids do it with the spoon because it really isn't dangerous and it's pretty fun. They'll scrape it, and we'll make trays of them for them to eat in the summer. It's so delicious. I cannot eat it. Hopefully you enjoy this recipe of Granita. I'm going to put my new recipe in here and put it in the freezer so I can enjoy it tomorrow. Have a great day.